on, everybody? Welcome back to another moto vlog. We've come out to a new track today down in North Carolina. Me and Brent have the place to ourselves right now. This is kind of like a little backyard style track, and I'm going to take you guys out for a sight lap here. It'll be a fun video of me learning a new track, conquering new jumps. Let's see what this place has. This tabletop, this soil is looking good. Some nice sandy berms. We're gonna have some nice lines built in. That's awesome. It's dry, but it's not too dry. A couple little whoop-de-doos. Gonna look like Eli Tomac blats in those. Got a double. Okay, huge jump face on this one. That's a nice size tabletop. That's pretty beefy. Beautiful sand berms, man. We're gonna have to dig some nice lines into these. Look at this. This track is pretty sandy, actually. Another nice size jump face. Okay, good size table. I like that. This is gonna be fun trying to conquer all these. And then this looks like a full rhythm section. A bunch of perfect size tables. We're not gonna jump anything on the side lap. Oh yeah, we got that. We can do that. Hit that sand corner, not too shabby. Oh, that one has no lip. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that. Oh yeah, we can click it up to fourth for those. I'm barely clearing that. Oh. What? That was so sketch. I got scared. I can't whip out on the jump face like that. If you're gonna go for a big jump, you need to be committed all the way up the jump face. No second guessing, no doubts, just go for it. All right, D-Rack, go for it. Let's get it, you got it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Sketchy, but we got it. Don't tuck the front, no. What was I doing? I don't know why I jumped that so far. What the hell? God, that jump is so much fun, dude. Oh yeah, hitting that corner in third is so much smoother. I almost have a line going there now. Bro, you're right there.
On this one?
Dude, you have it. You're like
I did.
The last lap that I followed you, you landed in probably the worst spot, so all you need to do is go that little bit faster. on the sand, dude. I have so much of it in my mouth. You doing it? Yeah! Woo!
Oh my god.
I told you you had that shit.
I was like, fuck it.
Bro, good shit.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Alright, did that clear it pretty good?
Oh yeah, you cleared it perfect. Alright, let's hit this line again, keep it going. Ah, damn it, I just pushed right through it. This rhythm section is so fun. Practicing coasting everything. And I can scrub this a little bit. Probably downshift in the air on that. One thing about the sand, I always have to remind myself, you gotta ride higher in the RPMs than you think. Helps keep you, oh Jesus. How do I always do that? Helps keep you upright when you ride higher in the RPM. I never can fully get these sand corners down like this one. Dude, I suck. You gotta go so fast for that double. Woo! And that one floats you up so high, but I swear you go slower. Hitting that one better, faster. There we go. I don't know what to do after I hit that. I can hit that fast. I just don't know where to go. I can't clear that. Yeah, I'm just over jumping that thing completely to flat at this point. Come on. Okay. Whoa. God, that big double is so fun. That corner afterwards is just perfect. If only I could hit that second one a little bit smoother. Dude, I really wanted to conquer all the jumps on this track today. I really, really wanted to come here and be able to do all of them. I don't know if this one's possible. There's like no lip on it, and anytime I send it with any speed, I only get like halfway. Oh yeah, that was the best I've hit that corner today. That jump's sketch. Oh, I cased the crap out of it. Danger, gap jump. Bro, why are they lying? There ain't no gap. Oh crap! Dude, this KYB suspension is so good. I flat landed that thing. I went so far, and it didn't hear. It didn't sound like a harsh landing whatsoever. This suspension is so good. If I can be that high up in the air and flat land something, and this KYB doesn't even sound like it's bottoming out, dude, that's a testament to how good this stock suspension is. Or I guess how stiff it is. Ah, it's coming in too hot. Stalled it. Your boy's gooning. Let's go, Brent. You hitting this thing? Yeah! Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.